All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, today we're talking about, well, no videos for next week. Kind of got really sick on Tuesday night to the point where my wife made me go get a COVID test. No, I don't have COVID. Apparently, I just had the flu, but I was out Wednesday, Thursday, and I was already scheduled off for Friday to go see my regular doctor, so I stayed in bed for 2 days. So unfortunately, there are going to be no videos for next week. We'll get back on schedule this Thursday, film videos, and we'll get back to content, but just wanted to give you all a heads up that no content for next week. Sorry. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.